Hinikayat ni Pangulo iba't ibang sektor na suportahan ang mga programa ng pamahalaan na tututok sa epekto ng climate change. Sa ASEAN International Conference on Tourism and Climate Change sa Legazpi City, inihayag ng Pangulo na posibleng maapektuhan din ito ang sektor ng turismo. Narito ang report ni Rocky Ignacio.
Isinulong ni Pangulo Aquino na kakaisang pagkilos ang lahat at pagbuo ng mekanismo na mas nakatuon para maibsan ang epekto ng climate change. Dumalo si Pangulo Aquino sa United Nations World Tourism Organization, ASEAN International Conference on Tourism and Climate Change sa Legazpi City sa Albay. Ayon sa Pangulo, nakita na ng lahat ang pinsala ni Yolanda na itinuring na isa sa pinakamalakas na bagyong tumama sa mundo. Pangunahing layunin ng International Conference na suriin ang impact ng climate change sa industriya ng turismo, partikular na sa Asia-Pacific region, kasabay ng pagpapalakas ng kakayahan ng sektor na tugunan ng banta at hamon ng pabago-bagong lagay ng panahon.
These are alarming realities and we must start taking action now. Taking on the challenge of climate change necessitates an international effort. We must come up with a more focused and more organized strategy to adapt to the risks it poses. This entails each country revisiting the way they approach every facet of governance to take into account how they affect the environment, from infrastructure to agriculture to energy. Needless to say, one of the sectors deeply concerned with the evolving demands of the new normal is tourism. This is precisely why we are here, joined by some of the most influential figures in the tourism sector, including the Secretary General of the United Nations World Tourism Organization, Dr. Talib Rifai, who is perhaps the world's most important ambassador of tourism as an engine for growth and inclusiveness.
Bahagi pa rin ang conference na gawing prioridad upang mapatatag ang kahandaan sa epekto ng climate change sa maraming pangunahing destinasyon katulad ng coastal erosion, pagkasira ng coral reefs, infrastruktura, ari-arian, kasama ng panganib sa buhay at kalusugan ng tao.
Climate change is real. It is a threat not simply to our industries or to our economies. It is a grave threat to all our peoples. The sooner we on a more united front, and the sooner we agree on a systematic, concerted effort to address the problem, the sooner we can make a more profound impact on changing the effects of climate change.
Mahalaga kasi ang papel ng uri ng klima sa Asian region na iba yung umakit sa mga dayuhan turista. Subalit dahil sa epekto ng climate change, sinasabi nagkaroon ng malaking banta ito sa industriya ng turismo. Pero pagtiyak ng Pangulo, sisikapin pa rin ang pamahalaan ng target na mahigit 50 milyong tourist arrival hanggang 2016.
On top of this, in 2011, we beat our initial 2016 target of 35.5 million domestic travelers, recording 37.5 million in 2011 alone. Allow me to repeat that. We met our target for 2016 5 years ahead of schedule. This pushed us to set our sights higher. Now we have increased our 2016 target to 56.1 million domestic travelers, and we will remain in active pursuit of this target as well.
Kabilang sa isinulong sa conference ang innovation and technology, institutional at capacity building, at reforma sa mga polisiya upang matiyak pa rin ang competitiveness at sustainability sa sektor ng turismo. Dahil dito, sinabi ng Pangulo na asahan pa ang paglikha ng dagdag trabaho na kaakibat ng pinalakas na industriya ng turismo.
Of course, we must also address the problem in the long term by striking a productive, sustainable balance as regards our reliance on fossil fuels. We have taken significant steps in this regard. For instance, we have introduced incentives that promote private sector investments in renewable energy projects. This initiative has borne fruit. In fact, I was just in Negros Occidental last week to inaugurate the 22 megawatt San Carlos solar energy plant, the first large-scale commercial solar plant in the country. This is a major step in expanding our country's energy mix and limiting the devastating effects of overdependence on traditional energy sources.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio, Legazpi City.